Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's check out how and we can actually delete your actual account of Google. So this process is not that hard. So the first thing, of course, if you're ready to break up with Amazon, maybe it's for your privacy, just cutting back into spending before we click into delete. You need to know that this is permanent, so you will lose access to every Kindle book, every Audible audiobook and movie you have ever bought. So take that in mind before you continue, right? So directly here, what I need to do, of course, is to focus into, let's say, into your actual account. So sorry, I just clicked directly into somewhere else. So here directly, what I need to do, of course, is that the pre-deletion checklist. If you check that your orders, if you have anything that not shipped yet, you must either wait for the right to cancel the order, or Amazon won't let you close your account with open transactions. So take that in mind. Now, check your gift card balance. If there's even 50 cents, spend it on a digital song or ebook now, because you will be going to be losing it. Now, a crucial step is that if you use Amazon Photos, download your pictures to a hard drive. Today, once the account is gone, those memories are deleted from the cloud instantly. A pro tip that I can give you is that in early 2026, Amazon began processing settlement refunds for certain Prime members. So check your email for Amazon refunds before deleting, because you might have a payment pending that you will lose access to, right? So now let's go for the deletion process. Amazon hides the delete button pretty well. So on the computer, if you are like me into Amazon.com, you have signed in correctly. On the computer, I'm going to focus for the home page and look out for the button of this section that says help. All my way down here it says like this. Now you can look out here for the option that says closed your account. So if you don't find this, you can always scroll all the way down, and here let's go for closed account. So I'm going to scroll all the way down and try to, let's say, look out for how to delete my actual account. If you don't find this element, what you can do is to go back directly inside here. Let's go for the option of other businesses account. I want to close my Amazon account. So if you wanted to close here, I can just go for the option that says close my account into Amazon. Just in case you didn't find this specific article, what you can do is to go directly inside Amazon.com, click directly here into Amazon.com, delete all of the footer element, and here you wanted to type privacy / data deletion. Just like that, you will be now inside this element. Now it says that if you are okay with this, you will now have access to Amazon, Seller Central, the Business Associates, Flex, Prime Pay, gift cards, any of this. So you can choose why you don't no longer want the cost to get this element. So here what I can do is to choose, for example, let's say what is my what is the reason why I select I have another account, or I have another business's proposal, so I go on to close this permanently, and I choose the option that says closed my account. Just like that, your Amazon account, it says, requires confirmation. So make sure that you have clicked all the way down and you no longer want to see this anymore. So just like that, your actual account will be deleted in no time. So you need, of course, to have the confirmation email, and you need to go back directly into your email. Here I should be having my own email, of course, section, and this might be telling me when I would like to delete that stuff, and we're actually good to go. So this might be taking a few moments in order to appear. You can be looking out directly into your spam folder, so you can be checking this out. And well, just like that, you can just delete your Amazon account, check out the confirmation email trap, and you're actually good to go. So this is how you benefit from the world of Amazon. Just remember that if you ever wanted to shop there again, you have to start a brand new account from the scratch. So this is how you can actually delete it. While you're deleting your account, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You want to see more great tools how you can delete your account and do so much more inside TechExpress. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. See you next time.